Hello everyone, welcome to Rena's Kitchen Tips and Tricks. Today I will show you how to cook coconut chicken roll cordon bleu with baked sweet potatoes. Join me and I will show you our ingredients. Oil for frying, chicken breast is thinly sliced, dried shredded coconut, egg, cheese, ham, flour, sweet potatoes. I sliced it already. Here is the whole. Anise, olive oil, powdered paprika, black pepper, and salt. Now let's cook. First step we need to do is our side dish. It takes long time, so we will do it first. Marinate with anise, paprika, pepper, salt, olive oil, mix well, and we will bake for 20 minutes. So we need to arrange it or until golden brown. So we need to arrange. And bake it 15 to 20 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. Now we will proceed to our coconut chicken roll cordon bleu. First step is season our chicken with salt, pepper, and paprika. We need to do it in the other side. So, massage a little bit. Other side too. Put our ham and our cheese. Mix our eggs. So, I need 2 gloves because we need to roll it. Roll our cordon bleu nicely. So, then roll to the flour again. It's better to roll it well so that it will close. Roll to our eggs. And the last is roll to our shredded dried coconut. It's better when it's really pizzally pressed. So that it will not open. Then make sure that our oil is preheat, and tip for frying, it should be more oil. So we need to fry. So now our chicken roll cordon bleu is already golden brown. Brown as me, like me. So we need to remove. Now sweet potato is also ready. Let's do plating. Now let's do plating. Our decoration: tomato, ground lemon, and rosemary leaves. Arrange our potato nicely. Our sweet potatoes is very tasty and healthy. So cut into half our cordon bleu. You see? Change our chopping board for hygienist ground. Tap our garniture here. And our chicken cordon bleu now is ready. Thank you for watching and see you at Rina's Kitchen Tips and Tricks. Stay fit and goodbye.